Assalamu alaikum dosto, hope you are doing good. Welcome to Lahore, the heart of Pakistan and the city that never fails to amaze its visitors. Today, we are going on a tour of Lahore on a double-decker bus. We took a rickshaw to reach the bus stand and forgot to top up our mobile data, and so we were depending on the rickshaw guy expertise. And suddenly,
यार डबल डेकर बस किस साइड में खड़ी होती है?
वो गेट के सामने।
हाँ।
इसके अंदर चलेंगे सामने।
we came to know he was also trying to get guidance for the destination. That was amazing. So instead of getting lost, we preferred to ask someone. So here we are at the stand of double-decker bus, ready to explore the city. As we start our journey, we will experience the bustling and historic spots and a street of Lahore with people going about their daily lives. Before we start this trip, let me share you the names of the spots that will show up on this bus route, as I will encourage you to come here and visit Lahore and experience yourself. I'm not going to show you all the spots in the video as there are around 36 sites in total, but will give a list so that you can have an idea. Starting from Punjab Stadium, you will see Liberty Market, Gymkhana Golf Club, Lahore Canal, Kinnaird College, Shara Quaid-e-Azam, Jilani Park, Bagh-e-Jinnah, Quaid-e-Azam Library, Governor House, Alhambra Arts Council, Lahore Zoo, Chief Minister's Secretariat, Charing Cross, Wabda House, Punjab Assembly, General Post Office, Lahore High Court, Cathedral Church, Anarkali Bazaar, Lahore City Heritage Museum, Lahore Museum, National College of Arts, Zamzam Gun, Punjab University, Government College University, Shrine of Al-Hajweri Data Ganj Bakhsh Rahmatullah Alayh, Allama Iqbal's Tomb, Badshahi Mosque, Samadhi Ranjit Singh, Hazuri Bagh, Lahore Fort and Minar-e-Pakistan. I believe if you are looking for the best way to get a detailed historic look on Lahore, in just only a day, this bus is one of the best options. I'm so sure you will experience the fusion of old and modern Lahore on this bus trip. This initiative was taken by Tourism Development Corporation that is promoting heritage of Lahore brilliantly. This is an amazing way to see this city. I have been on a double-decker bus before in London, but sighting my country's historic city was a great experience, and I would recommend that every Pakistani must avail this opportunity, and every city in Pakistan should have sightseeing double-deckers. This will promote our tourism a lot. The views from the top deck are just breathtaking. I can see so much of Lahore that I never would have seen otherwise. I couldn't agree more. And the best part is we can sit back, relax, and let the bus take us on a journey through the city. The double-decker bus is equipped with all the amenities you need for comfortable tour, from enjoyable drive to comfortable seating. And of course, we can't leave Lahore without trying some of its famous street food. Let's stop for a bite and try some traditional Pakistani cuisine in the next episode. And here it ends. A tour of Lahore like no other. I hope you enjoyed your time on the double-decker bus and got a chance to see this beautiful city from a new perspective. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Signing off, Mohsen Ali Taj from Will You Spell.